Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to unfollow a community on X. So that's pretty simple. Open X and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen to open this side menu. Now, as you can see here, you have different sections. You need to tap on section communities. And now if you are in your home section at the top, you will see right here your current communities that you are in. So let's tap on it. And in order to leave a community, you have to tap three-dot button in the top right and select this red option, leave community. So let's tap here and confirm that you really want to do that by pressing this leave this community button. As you can see, if the button changed to join, that means that you have successfully unfollowed this community, and also it disappeared from my home page. So that's how I can unfollow a community on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.